Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be showing you guys how I did this braid out with only 2 braids. Sorry for the setup and this lighting, but I'm in my bathroom and it's early in the morning, so whatever.
As y'all can see, I just washed my hair. I use Maui Moisture, Shea Butter, shampoo and conditioner. Now I'm just going to use their oil. It's the same line. I'm just about to oil my scalp. And yes, I have heat damage. Okay, so after that, I'm just gonna use this moisturizer. This coconut oil curl milk by Maui Moisture as well. Actually, before that, I'm gonna section off my hair, split it down the middle. And I need to trim. I don't need to trim, I actually need to cut my hair. I want like a bob, shoulder length bob. And take that side and put it away. Alright, now I'm gonna, it's already detangled, but I'm just gonna further detangle it. And take this curl milk, if y'all can see that, and just rake it through my hair. I'm gonna do this a second time and focus on the parts that I didn't really get. Part of triangle off. Keep on picking up even sections, because if you don't do even sections, your braids won't be as defined. Trust me, I've done this too many times. And make sure you braid tight if you want like really nice defined curls. Well, a nice defined braid out. And if you want, you can like do 3 braids. If I'm blinking the lines because I'm in my eye.
Aside from my soul, there goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. just walk by. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a soul.
I really love wearing my hair like this when I'm trying to give my hair a break, because as y'all can see I need it. But yeah, I really love wearing my hair like this. It's really easy. It looks like you actually put effort into your hair when in reality all you did was 2 braids. But yeah, I'm gonna come back in the morning and show y'all my breakout. Alright, so I'm gonna take the same oil that I used last night, which is this one, and a little bit of gel. Any gel is fine. Like, when I say a little, I mean a little. I'm gonna mix those, just a few drops of oil. And I'm gonna use this to tame my flyaways. That barely did anything, but it looked better than how it did before. I really don't have time to struggle with these other bands. I'm about to be late to class.
There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul. I think it's all angels just walk by. I think it's all angels just walk by. I think it's all angels just walk by. I think it's all angels just walk by.
And my hair is completely dry. I guess the wet look that you see is just the
There goes a sight, there goes a soul.
okay, that you can do 2 braids. I mean, you can do 3 braids instead of 2, so you won't have this like separation in the middle of your hair. But I'm gonna show you how to get rid of it. Ouch. So after that, I just take my wide tooth comb and fluff out my roots, and I do that down the middle of the part too. So I'm just gonna turn around so y'all can see. And this is how it looks now, but I'm gonna come back later and show y'all how it looks, because it's way more like fluffed out, obviously.
There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul. I think it's all angels just walk by. 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 There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a soul. Now there goes a sight from.
Alright, I'm done. It's been like, I want to say 3 hours. Okay, so this is my hair after 6 hours. I think this is the biggest it's gonna get today. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video.